Hey, I'm CMOS and these are the connectors. So I've used a really soft, look how flexible that is, silicone wire. So this is great when prototyping, that it's just going to bend so easily. If you use the solid core wire, it's just going to eventually break where it's bent, whereas because this has multi-strands, it's really going to stay, usable for a long time. So they're quite durable. So on one side, I added the ring terminal. Now this is for a few reasons. So I've created a sleeve that has a little clip on it, and you can add clips to your own projects, but this clip, basically you just open the clip and now I can attach all my ring terminals to here, so that way I don't lose my cables. So it's a great way to attach it. And then on the other side you can put whatever connectors you like. So I've done some with just these naked crocodile clips just because I really like the look and it goes well with other projects. Or you can just put a different color crocodile clip on the end. But you can see that they're all very, very soft. The ring pull connectors, these terminals, are also great if you're using something like the Circuit Playground, because these boards, you can get these bolt-on kits. So you can see I've got these bolts. And this bolt, you just put it straight through the terminal, and that means that this can come off super quick and easy, and that I can reuse this board if I want to for other projects. So these little terminals are quite handy. You can get them in these kind of steel color, you can get them in copper, so they're just metal ring terminals, but they're fantastic. And as you can see on all of them, I've put some heat shrink just to cover over these two, where the two connectors meet, essentially the wire and the connector, and this just gives it a bit more durability. So it will be slightly less flexible just in the join, but I think we all know that this is going to be a good thing. So yeah, so I think you should make them, have a go. You can change the colors. There's so many beautiful silicone wire colors out there. Make different color ones, maybe make black ones for your ground and red for power if you want, or just keep it with the aesthetic of your projects. So like I say, this one I made because it's also got a clip as part of another project that I've been working on. But yeah, this is the connectors.